Withdrawing money from your Robinhood account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have completed any necessary account verification steps. Step 2. Navigate to the Account tab. Once logged in, find and click on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app or the top right corner of the website. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Transfers. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Transfers or Banking. Click on this option to access your withdrawal settings. Step 4. Choose Withdraw Funds. After entering the Transfers section, select Withdraw Funds. You will be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure the amount is within your available balance. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your linked bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood support for assistance.